innovative and miraculous research on diabetes type 2 in Ayurveda. Absolute cure of diabetes type 2 by innovative miraculous research in Ayurveda. It is a misconception in the mind of mostly persons that this disease is born by excess consuming sweetish foodstuffs or substances, or by viruses, or by touching to diabetics, or by co-eating with diabetics, or by cohabit with diabetics. Indeed, this malady attack to those 95% persons who consume the excess nourishing or high caloric diet and fatty food in their daily routine than their actual necessity, and they always avoid a nominal physical exercise too. This sedentary and luxurious livelihood is the main cause of their obesity and diabetes. It is generally prevailed that the 80% of type 2 diabetics are found fatty and abdominals because the mostly diet consumed by them is consisted by organic elements like as carbohydrate, protein and fat. Whenever pancreas gland is sick or damaged, it does not secrete the proper insulin and pancreatic juice. Due to the shortage of insulin, the excess sugar in blood is neither consumed by muscles nor left stored in liver in the form of glycogen. Consequently, the blood sugar level is exceeded by 125 milligram per deciliter, and this excess sugar neither excreted through urine due to the limited threshold of kidney, nor be converted into water and carbon dioxide. Hence, the surplus glucose stored in areolar tissues beneath the skin and create obesity and later creates diabetes. By probe study of the pituitary, thyroid and adrenal glands, it has been found that these glands are also partially liable to increase blood sugar, but in my opinion and perspective, the exceeded blood sugar may be caused partially by any above gland. These glands never create excess blood sugar level permanently. The temporary excess blood sugar by reason of above becomes normal automatically after some time. Ultimately, the excess blood sugar caused by the deficiency of pancreas creates permanent diabetes, which is called as diabetic mellitus or type 2 diabetics. Presently, this disease is being treated as incurable in all over the world and being controlled by jumboline medicines or by artificial insulin up till date, but nobody yet contemplated to heal the sick pancreas. If the pancreas is revived, it may be recapable to create proper insulin and diabetes may be eradicated forever. Main cause of the disease, the major content of our diet are carbohydrate, protein and fat, in which carbohydrate is the major source of blood sugar. In a non-diabetic normal person, the blood sugar is existed between 80 to 110 milligram per deciliter. When this sugar level is excessed by 125 milligram per deciliter in blood, the surplus glucose is stored in liver in the form of glycogen by the synthesizing of endocrine juice, that is insulin. This glycogen is gradually converted in glucose according the requirement of muscles or cells to provide energy and strengthen because the storage capacity of glycogen in liver is limited to 150 grams. Therefore, the exceeded quantity of glucose beyond 150 gram is automatically converted into carbon dioxide and water by oxidation, and it is excreted by lungs, skin, and kidney. I have researched an innovative, unrivaled Ayurvedic formula by mixing natural herbs, costly extract of gold and zinc calcines to eradicate diabetes within 30 days certainly. I am full confident that the diabetes once cured, they would never be suffered from diabetes if some nominal medical instructions during the treatment are complied by those patients. Presently, the excess blood sugar is being controlled temporarily by artificial insulin or other jumboline medicines, and the doctors compels to the diabetics to refrain from sweetie foodstuffs up till last breath. In my specific treatment, the average diabetics are no need to abstain of general sweetish substances during the treatment. They are advised to read my basic or brief research theory minutely, whereby they could be acquainted about the origins of the disease. The diabetics may contact me for permanent solution of this disease. Dr. M.R. Gupta, Medical Officer Ayurved, Krishna Ayurvedic Hospital, Kamalpur, Chutmalpur, District Sahanpur, UP. Contact number 7017590175. Another number 8193808485, and email drmrgupta16@gmail.com. Thank you very much.